Welcome back to Need for Speed Karts. Today I've got an interesting video. I qualified in Group 1 and I started in position 1 because I had the lowest kart number, kart 26. So today is all about defending P1. Let's see where I end up after 8 laps. Will it be P1 or will it be something else? So anyway, I had a great start here. Straight away I can feel this kart was very responsive. The car overall felt really fast and I was surprised because there wasn't anyone behind me, and I thought I would have had a lot of pressure going around these corners on the first lap, but I was happy about that, and I was fast on the first lap. The whole race I maintained 36 seconds each lap, around that range. We're on to lap 2 now, and as you can see behind me, there's a nice sizable gap. However, the gap behind me gets reduced because you'll see around the next corner I'm struggling to put my visor up here, and because I do that they catch up to me. So I was very irritated. I should have kept my visor up from the beginning. However, this is what this video is about. It's about defending P1. So now I've got to use my driving skills to defend my position. Now the 2 guys behind me are very quick, but as you can see there's 2 guys behind them and they are also very quick. So I'm betting on, if I can stay consistent, defend my position, those guys will battle it out, which will then open up a gap for me to continue to be in P1. But my main thing is I've got to defend this part here so I don't go too wide. As you can see, when I go around the corner they catch up because I'm taking the inside lane, and now I just got to defend this straight here. Also the inside lane around that corner, and then once I've done that, in my mind I know there's not many other places where I can be overtaken, particularly with the speed that I'm going at. And my concentration level is very high at the moment. So yes, there's about 2 to 3 places that it's possible to get overtaken, and I'm aware when I arrive at those spots. So that's one of them there, that corner. That's notorious for people overtaking each other. This long straight here, you can get overtaken, so this is why I'm defending. And then here as well, defend the inside lane, and then once I get past that part there, I can usually focus on not defending around these corners here. So we're on lap 5 at the moment, and this part here I slightly brake and it's maybe a little bit more quicker around that section. And this top part here, just making sure I'm being consistent in terms of taking the inside lane, getting a few bumps, and then I'm quite nervous going down the straight, to be honest with you. However, as you see here, it gets quite condensed at the back and P2 gets overtaken, and I know the guy behind me is extremely quick. However, there is a little battle here, so P2 gets hit from the side and then he hits back, and this causes the race to be stopped temporarily. And as you can see, the shake from my fist, I'm really happy because when the race gets stopped, as you'll see now, it got resumed. I think both races got penalised, but the reason why I'm shaking my fist because I know when you have these stoppages, they work an advantage of the person in front. And now there's a sizable gap between me and P2, so that's why I was happy about that stoppage. And I did believe that something like that would happen in terms of a battle because it was getting very congested. All I've got to do now is just be consistent like I have done all race. And as you'll see, when I take this corner, now I'm going wide. So this is how I usually take that particular corner. But when you have people closely behind you, it's better to take the inside lane. Here we go, final lap. I look behind me and I don't see anyone close, so I'm happy right now. I'm just about maintaining. That's what's on my mind. Just maintain my speed, maintain my Speed's going into the corners, out the corners. Taking a little bit wide here because I had some time, and now I know I've won. This is my first time winning a race in Group 1. Great feeling. So guys, thanks for tuning in. I've got another race from this race night that I'll put up in the next week, and I'll see you next time.